Hi everyone, my name is Biragar Sitab. Today date is 28th April 2022. Today's topic is class loader in Java. Java class loader is an abstract class. It belongs to a Java.lang package. It loads classes from different resources. Java class loader is used to load the classes at runtime. In other words, JVM performs the linking process at runtime. Classes are loaded into the JVM according to need. If a loaded class depend on the another class, that class is loaded, as well as when we request to load a class, it delegates the class to its parent. In this way, unique ways is mentioned in the runtime environment. It is the essential to the execute of Java program. Next is language. Java class loader is based on three principles: delegation, usability, and uniqueness. Delegation principles. It forward the request for class loading to parent class loader. It only loads the class if the parent does not find or load the class. Usability principles. It's allowed child class loader to see all the classes loaded by the parent class loader, but the parent class loader cannot see classes loaded by the child class loader. Uniqueness principle. It allows to load the class once it is achieved by delegation principles. It ensures the child class loader does not reload the class which is already loaded by the parent. Types of class loader. In Java, every class loader has a predefined location from where they load class files. There are following types of class loader in Java. Bootstrap class loader. It loads the standard JDK class files from RT, and other core classes. It is a parent of all class loader. It does not have any parent. When string class loader, it returns null and any code based on the throws null pointer exception. It is also called pre-model class loader. It loads the class of files from JRE library file example, jar lang package classes. Extension class loader. It delegates the loading request to its parent. If the loading class unsuccessful, it loads the classes from JRE library ext directory or any other directory. As Java ext implemented by an Sun MySys launches the system class loader. It loads the application specific classes from the class path environment. A variable it can be sent while invoking program using cp or class path command inline function option. The child of the extension class loader, it implemented by the Sun with launcher. Class all Java class loader implements Java long class loader. How class all loader works in Java? When JVM requests for a class, it invokes a load class method of the Java lang class loader. Class by passing the fully classified name of the class load class, method class, find loader class, method of the check the class has been already located or not. It is required to the avoid loading the class multiple times. In the class is already loaded, to delegates the request to parent class loader to load the class in which class loader is not finding the class. It invokes the class method to look up for the classes of the Java of the file system. The following diagram shows the class loader loads the in Java using delegation. Suppose that any application specific class demo class request of loading on this class file transfer to the application class loader. It delegates the to parent extension class loader. Further, it delegates the bootstrap class loader. Bootstrap search class in the RT. Since class is not an now request transfer to the extension class loader, which search from the directory JRE library extension, locate of the class there. Thank you.